Here at Steel Mountain Marketing, one of our core service offerings is photo and videography. We ensure you receive the highest quality photos and videos, perfect for all digital marketing platforms as well as traditional marketing materials. When you and your business are ready to invest in our photo video service, here's a little glimpse of what you can expect from us. First is the kickoff call. You'll meet with our team to talk about your vision and details of what you want when you're looking to schedule a shoot and get the specifics on what and how you want the photo video shoot to go. Next, going into the shoot. Typically, a photographer arrives in the morning to meet with the team, walk through your facility, and see the layout and different processes, and then determines what needs to be captured. Next up is the actual photo video shoot. Our photographer arrives with state-of-the-art equipment to capture your business from every angle. We can provide a versatile range of photos and videos from aerial shots to close-ups within your machinery and everything in between. Now the most important part, turnaround time. Typically our turnaround time is 48 to 72 hours after the shoot for all your content to be received. After you receive the content, we will collaborate with you for any changes you need. Now let's talk about photo video rights. Once we send you the content, it is yours to use however you would like. So stop waiting to get fresh content for your company. Get in touch with us today, schedule your photo video shoot, and make your marketing materials stand out from the competition.